Mi amor, mira el río, como se desbordó Lisandro, este por la parte de atrás de la casa de Xarela. Hay que orar, papito, corre la voz para que el Señor tome...
Dios mío, ojalá no haya nadie en la runner.
A powerful storm hit the central, western, and southwestern regions of Caracas around 2 p.m. yesterday, Friday, August 25th, 2023. Storms accompanied by incessant rain affected a large part of the capital's geography. Fallen trees resulting in partial street closures in the parish of El Paraíso, Avenida Saint Martin, Avenida Fuerzas Armadas, Avenida Baralt El Cementerio, and other parts of the city. The cemetery was completely flooded. The streets were flooded with water. Many cars passed through the streets, and the streets turned into rivers. Residents have posted shocking videos on social media of the roads they are taking, and due to the storm, they are unable to walk on these roads. A viral video shows a homeless mother being discovered in the rain and her temporary shelter flooded. Avenida Páez de El Paraíso was also affected due to a powerful power line that toppled many trees, one of which fell and damaged the famous Pikas restaurant and hotel located in the same building. There were tourists inside at that time. Fortunately, there were no casualties. The same goes for flooding on the way through El Paraíso parish, especially around the Multiplaza Mall. This is exacerbated by the problem of drainage, a problem that has been reflected by many locals when every time it rains, the water floods, flooding the whole area, make it impossible for vehicles and people to pass. Rain also devastated Las Fuentes Road and parts of elevation 905.
Dios, nos ayudes. Dios, te pido por favor llegar a casa.
Totalmente.
The Cacique Guaycaipuro Highway near the Botanical Garden was also affected by these heavy rains, causing complete traffic jams. On the other hand, on the Avenida de las Fuerzas Armadas, they reported that some cars were stuck in a lagoon. Many criticisms and complaints have surfaced on social media due to the poor state of the drainage system and the lack of cleaning of rivers and gutters.